In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero bank accounts, how to reconcile a refund for a paid invoice in Xero using a credit note. Let's start by signing into Xero and heading to the sales area. From there, open invoices. We're going to create a credit note that mirrors the original paid invoice because this is what tells Xero exactly what's being reversed and keeps your revenue and tax reporting accurate. Choose New Credit Note and select the same customer as the original invoice. This is essential for Xero to link everything correctly later. In the credit note lines, use the same description, quantity, unit price, and, most importantly, the same chart of accounts code and tax treatment used on the invoice. Matching these details ensures the refund hits the right revenue account and keeps the tax consistent. If the refund is only partial, simply enter the reduced quantity or amount to reflect what's being returned. Once the details are correct, approve the credit note. After approving, go to the Awaiting Payment tab so you can work with the related transactions. Next, find the original invoice and open it. Here, add the refund. In practice, you'll be linking the credit note to a refund payment, which records that money left your bank to return to the customer. Choose the bank account the refund was paid from and use the actual refund date shown on your bank statement. This date alignment helps Xero match the bank feed to the transaction automatically. Now move to Accounting, open Bank Accounts, and click Reconcile for the account you used. Look for the bank statement line that shows the refund going out. If the amounts and dates line up, Xero will usually suggest a match to the credit note you just updated with the refund details. You should see that proposed match appear on the right side of the reconciliation screen. If everything looks right, confirm by clicking OK or Reconcile to finalize. That's it. The refund is now recorded against the customer, the revenue is reversed using the correct account, and your bank reconciliation stays clean. If you don't see an automatic match, double check that the customer, amount, account code, tax settings, and bank account are identical to the original invoice details. Confirm the refund date matches the statement line and make sure the credit note is approved. Small differences can prevent the match, but correcting them will allow Xero to pair the items properly, and you're done.